focus to vlog 4. Now look at this view. Right, it's 12:20. I'm on my way to meet Tobin for a little video this week. Transition to when I'm with him. Okay, slight change of plan. I'm running late, so I'm going to meet Tobin at the bus stop instead. So yeah, I'm trying to when I see Tobin at the bus stop instead of his house. Well, 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 look who it is. If I can zoom in, there we go. Look who it is. In the red or orange. First time trying a grimace shake.
Why'd you put a bite? Blueberry in it, I like blueberries.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't like blueberries.
It tastes really nice, alright.
Tobin's food reviews.
Well, it's not really food.
True. Drink reviews.
Yeah, it's really nice, I like it. I love blueberry ice cream, so it's like...
Fairs.
Do you see the
I've finished my meal. Yeah.
Do you see all the memes where it's like people drink one of these and they're like, it's fucking nice. Can
we film a TikTok and it's you doing that?
No, I don't want to do that. I'm like, oh, let's try the grimace shake.
If you see a TikTok of Tobin later, you know why.
If you see if there's a TikTok, it's me like trying this. Don't watch the rest of it.
Alright. It's good. So when we make it to Attenborough, or on our way to Attenborough.
Yeah.
Right, we've actually made it to the destination.
What's this?
Tobin's taking videos of
Video.
video inception.
Yeah. You don't think we should get both of it being on like. Well, I recorded my front-facing camera.
Why did you record on your front-facing camera?
I just think the quality's better.
No, it's not.
It is more.
I mean your phone, yeah.
If I record on my selfie camera, it's crap.
Yeah, true.
But
I record front-facing and then
yeah.
rear-facing when I'm actually doing condition.
If we both recorded with the face ones and put our phones up next to each other, it'd be like a ball. It'd look really cool.
But yeah, today's little vlog is walking through Attenborough Nature Reserve. So we're here. It's not very stable because
it's all good.
I don't have my tripod. It's in my bag, but
you don't need it. You can visibly feel every footstep of my body.
I normally use my tripod, but I not took it out yet.
Yeah, I've got a really bouncy walk anyway, so it's like. Is that even Long Eaton?
No, Long Eaton's the other way. That path over there takes you to where Dom does wakeboarding.
Oh, Spring Lake.
Spring Lake, yeah. That's the way I normally come.
I feel really short. I'm not even in the video.
No, it's because I put it so low.
To be fair, I think you were tilted away from me anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm there in the corner. Hello, guys.
But yeah, we're.
So what church is that over there?
I don't know. I'm not too sure. I can't see. Ooh, where's this church?
Is it over there?
Somewhere over there.
Yeah,
oh, you can see it.
There's a hedge.
A little bit. But yeah, we're making our way through into Attenborough Nature Reserve.
That's cool.
That is not as cool. That is Attenborough Nature Reserve, mate.
Oh, is that actually the
That's the cafe.
Is that where we go?
That's the cafe. No, we walk around. I'll show you.
Oh, I might take a photo of
This is Tobin's first time here, so.
Yeah, it is. I want to take a photo of the lake.
Okay. Right. Well, catch you guys in a minute. Yeah, that's why. I'm so glad not to win that Tobin's phone. Because if not, I'm not that this would be capable.
Yeah.
I mean, filming on my phone is always capable, but all of this.
Yes, it's a lot of it's just
Yeah.
especially if you want to try and go like professional.
I would love to start my production company. That's great. Go over there and take some photos.
I love to work in stop motion.
Yeah, that's cool. Stop motion stuff.
It's so hard.
Do you want to go over there or do you want to go?
Do you remember? I mean,
Take a little photo.
yeah, it's good.
Oh, wait.
I have my film stuff. It's called like gold. It's out for sunlight. It comes out the yellow. It will float for sunlight. And it's like.
It's not really fancy, doesn't it?
What is?
Looks a bit yellow. There was some dogs over here last time. Yeah? Does it say that? Oh, it's a swan. Go on, you can get one of these shots as well. We're not take photos, right? You got a flash on that. Damn!
Let's have a look at his photo. Shows it. Ooh, very nice. Yeah, that's really good. Very scenic. Yeah.
That's really annoying.
I'll just take a photo.
I'm trying not to get any ones away.
Using the flash in the daytime is wild.
Little bird.
Oh, I see this guy.
Yeah, that's what I was taking a photo of. That's cool. I should remember with the lens cap on.
His gear is all professional.
I should remember with the lens cap on.
What do you mean?
Like when not using it.
No, that's only when you put it away and stuff. It's not really at times.
No, but does it not get like dirty? You can blow it off, mate. You can blow like the pistols.
Yeah.
I won't do that. Huh? No, I'm not gonna. I was gonna say, should we walk down there? I'm not trying to risk that. Don't be. Don't know. I can get a video on this. No. It's not that I'm worried about. I'm worried about dropping the camera in. Is it not like much? Huh? Oh, the exposure's really bad on there. My shoes aren't made for this. I bet it.
Talk to me about taking photos of like trees and stuff like Tim Burton and doing anything like that.
Who's Tim Burton again?
Tim Burton, he made like Coraline and Edward Scissorhands and...
Oh, as in like the movies?
director,
Oh,
yeah,
the
Tim
director.
in his style, yeah. He did like Beetlejuice and stuff as well.
Oh.
He way How you feeling, Abby?
Great. Loving it.
Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
What?
I said I'm loving it.
Oh my god. Right, we heading back up. Let me know a minute, like genuinely. So we've taken you to the train spot and here now. I reckon we could get. Wait, stand back. Get like a Lord of the Rings type shot. Yeah, what's that Sentinel? I'll figure out one on the way back. Rule of thirds, yeah. Oh, I didn't realise!
Did you see it?
No. Is there another one? There's quite a few. I can hear something sludging over here. Oh, there's a bunch of ducks. Wait, there's two! Let's hope this isn't moshy over here. I can hear something slurping. Yo, relax. I don't know how'd you get a swan's attention? Okay.
I'm gonna stop recording now. Check what time it is.
We're back. Tobin needs a wee.
Oh, I'm back, am I?
Yeah.
I do need a wee.
Tobin needs a wee desperately.
Yeah.
Desperately.
If there's any good spots in Attenborough, what's it called? Nature Reserve. For a tinkle, let me know in the comments. best tinkle spots behind this bush here, and I'll go and do it.
He'll read them in the future and then come back.
Yeah, next time we're here, I'll check your tinkle spots.
But yeah, we've been photographing. I don't know, what's the word? Photographing.
Yeah.
There we go.
Photographing.
Photographing. But yeah, it's a lovely day. Bit chilly.
It's
lovely.
Day.
It's lovely.
It's the British.
No stability on this camera, but yeah, it's a lovely day. Nothing interesting's happened yet. So yeah,
we're just walking, just having a bit of a mosey.
Walking, talking, photographing.
Photography.
Talking about life.
Yeah, and Blake. Oh.
You'll only get it if you go watch Tobin's video.
Yeah, we just like bits and bobs at a time, innit?
But yeah, this video will be shared between me and him.
It'll be like a two half.
Like a two-parter.
Yeah, kind of. Except it's like it's not one half. Like it's not like
it's like
not
mix
like a
and
start
match.
and an end. Yeah,
It's mix and match.
Yeah, you just get different footage from different.
So what you need
sides.
to do is put his video on one screen and put mine on the other screen.
And
Keep
pause it
pausing
every
and playing it.
Every time there's a cut, pause it and play the other person's video.
But yeah.
No, but we just watch one of ours and then watch the other one
Yeah.
afterwards.
Or just go watch Tobin's because I reckon his will be better than mine.
I doubt it. He's got better editing than me.
Yeah, but people pay attention to your content.
Do they?
Yeah.
All 50 of them.
All 50 of them.
You got like 1,000 subscribers or something.
They don't all pay attention to my vlogs, let's be real. Let's hope something interesting happens.
We'll just cut it from when
I'll push Tobin to the canal over here. Canal over here.
Oh,
My phone's going.
What the hell is that? Christ.
My phone's bugging out. Yeah.
Oh, I wish I was recording.
I'll keep you guys updated. Stop it. Why does it flash? No, because it went.
You can do it in the settings, I swear.
I know.
Default settings, just look for flash.
This is recording, isn't it? What is this? I'm so confused.
That's good. That's a good photo.
I'm very confused.
What did you think?
Behind you.
Oh. What was your phone? I thought you got a notification.
It's so weird. In the corner. That tree, those trees are sick. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm waiting for. Maybe. Is it the Timberland logo? It's like the Timberland logo. Try this shot. The other way, excuse me.
Turn the flash off. Turn the flash off.
What if I just hold it? The built-in flash cannot be raised. Turn off.
Just do a certain amount of flash.
There you go. Flash turned on.
Try and do it without the flash.
Where's the turn flash off? There you go.
Oh yeah. Very cool.
No, I like that
That's
one.
good, that's good, I like
It
that.
looks like a country music thumbnail.
Yeah, that's an album.
Oh, there's one guy walking edge mountain. Just edge mountain. So if I 0.5, you can just pick them up. Wait. I did no flash. Hang on, no flash. We're in London now. We're friends.
Oh, we've left the nature reserve.
No, we haven't.
Yeah, we have.
Where are we?
The nature reserve's that way.
Where are we?
So you're on the way looping back?
Yeah, no, we gotta go this way. Keep going, let's take a left.
What, and come out?
No, go. Where are you going?
Take a left.
Through there.
What, and loop back around that? No.
Yeah.
We'll just turn around.
You wanna turn around here?
Yeah, I might.
I swear! Wait. Okay, zoom out a little bit. How can we zoom in? How can we get back to there?
Gee, we just walk back the way we came.
No, because there's should be a different way. Search Attenborough Reserve. Okay, yeah, and then press directions. Do we have to actually go?
Well,
yeah,
we can go that way, which is the long way.
No, it's not. It's a short way.
It's 20 it's a short way!
It's 34 minutes back this way.
No, it's not. That's to go all the way around. We're on this path here.
Oh, here we are. Okay, go right. Okay, we've just wrapped up at the nature reserve. Pretty good experience. When
Yeah,
you
I
say,
would say
Tobin?
it was good. Yeah, we had a good time. Been,
It's weird. You're on the
seeing
right
things.
now.
Do you want me to switch sides?
Yeah. There you go.
We're doing alright, guys. We're making it. Put the camera down.
Why?
Not like that. Like, so I'm in the video. Look at the camera. It's just like top of my head like that. And I was like, yeah, been doing good. We just cleared the nature park, nature reserve, whatever. Albie was taking us the wrong way. He said it was a loop.
No.
And he walked us into a different town. We're in Scotland for a bit.
I was too busy taking photos, which
we missed the loop.
I'll put the photos at the end of this video. But yeah. It'll be better than his, definitely.
What, your photos?
Yeah, my photos.
Well, yeah, because I've not taken any photos. All my photos on a film camera that I'm not.
True.
So you want any of the photography? It will all be on. Well, you're watching this video.
Yeah.
If you want to just watch some waffling, come to my video.
Yeah. No, your video's good, man. Have confidence.
Yeah, no, I have got confidence. It's just waffle though.
Yeah, true.
I'm not saying waffle's a bad thing. I'm just saying it's just waffle.
It's just waffle, yeah.
There's no photos on mine because photos I took were with a film camera, so I've got to
Yeah.
get the photos developed.
Yeah, we're heading to TK Maxx just to look around.
A little mosey, yeah.
Have a little nosy. But yeah.
How do you spell mosey?
Huh? Nosy?
Mosey.
Mosey, just the same as nosy with an M.
What, M-O-S-Y?
Yeah,
Really?
I think
I was
so.
like, M-O-S-S-Y is Mossy.
Yeah.
And M-O-S-S-I-E is like a girl's name, isn't it? Like Mosey? I don't know.
Moses?
I don't know how to spell it,
I
but
don't know
Mosey's a
either.
word I use quite a lot that I don't know how to spell.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just working our way up.
If we get any clips in TK Maxx, I'll put them in.
Yeah.
But
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, don't fall off
I'll
the
be
thing.
pushing me off the curb.
Yeah.
Rude. No, I'm falling again. Forget to say.
In the river.
We did see a guy fishing, didn't we?
Yeah, we did see a guy fishing. To be fair. Go on, you go ahead.
I'm just trying to see if I'm in the video.
This path is very narrow. Look, very narrow. Look at this. It's like one person path. But yeah. On our way to TK Maxx. If anything interesting happens, once again, I'll put it in the video. But not expect anything. See you in a bit.